tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, oblivion. Oh, yo, yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. I'm staying safe. We are back to home, so even my work is also back, guys. So it's time to prepare a lunch for today because I've just started my vlog in the noon. So preparing brinjal curry, we just bought the very fresh brinjals from the neighbor's garden. Today we're gonna prepare brinjal curry and rice. Very simple because even we are tired of roaming here and there. As you guys have seen my vlogs, we've just been for Kanchipuram, Chennai, and etc. So I've not seen those vlogs. Please go ahead and watch it, guys. And also we have a plan of going for nursery today because we have a plan of making a garden. From so many days we are just planning for the day. Meanwhile, my son's homework also started. I just gave him a homework and came to cook for the lunch. And my son is relaxing here. You know, guys, why? He's tired, it seems. So he's gonna rest for some time. So, anyways, let him take a rest and definitely he's gonna finish his homework today. We reached nursery, guys, which is nearby, and this is bonsai one, which is looking so pretty and looking awesome. I'm going to show you complete nursery look. Here I'm going to show you different types of indoor plants, outdoor plants, pots, so many, guys. Definitely it is going to be an interesting video, guys. Many of you guys might be having an idea to make a garden or to maintain your balcony garden or anything or filling up your pots. But before investing, I'm going to give you a few tips, guys. If you would like to follow, please follow. Obviously, nursery means it's really exciting place to be and there are endless directions to go whether you're starting a brand new garden or maybe filling your balcony pots or adding the last year's landscaping efforts. The most important step is to do your research before coming to nursery. Of course, even we did the same, guys. We did lot of research where to buy which plant and which plant will be suitable for our garden. Everything we just researched and just came to the nursery. Plant nurseries will be such a place to hang out and we will be surrounded by plants, baby plants, the smell, the bright colors, the damp soil, all indications that winter has subsided and spring is here. But if you're in a hurry, a visit to the nursery can end up being a fairly unpleasant experience. Often, these businesses have a wide variety of really cool plants spread out over a whole lot or a farm. Make sure you're going to spend enough time to find what is you want, maybe discover some new plants to impulsively add it to the family. Which is really a beautiful experience coming here. I really saw many plants, guys, and thought of purchasing few of them, and definitely we can't buy everything, right? So the price wise also I really felt very reasonable because the plants are such a beautiful plants. This plant I really love it, but I could not buy that. Anyway, let's go forward. When we are walking around the rows of plants, it can be tempting to be drawn to the plants with the brightest blooms, but hold off on those vibrant eye catchers. When selecting your plant starters at the nursery, look for plants with buds instead of blooms. With buds, the plant starters will be less susceptible to the trauma of replanting. Then be time to bloom beautifully at home. Actually, I have a plan of purchasing few indoor plants, guys. In that, I have chosen this, and I am just looking for the roots, and because I wanted my indoor plants to grow in such a way that it should look always alive. It's really bit tough to maintain indoor plants, guys, because little bit sunlight at least they also need it, but weekly once I would like to show them a sunlight, and then I'm gonna keep inside, so that will really gives a great atmosphere at home. Once we have selected a healthy looking plant, whether it may be indoor or outdoor, with promising buds, you can also take a look at the roots of the starter plant. Sometimes starter plants also detrimentally root bound. It can depend on the plant, but as roots take over the container, there is less room for soil and water retention. This eventually causes the roots and your plants to die. At a minimum, it will stunt the growth of your plant. Here I've seen most of the bonsai plants, guys, which is really looking so beautiful. I was really cannot move my eyes from that plants. Till now we have seen the nursery. Now let's go inside, guys. Here even not only the plants, guys, we can even see the different types of pots, which is made with plastic, ceramic, mud pots, so clay pots, whatever. Everything is awesome according to our taste. So it depends how we are gonna choose them. Come on, guys, let's go and have a look. These are ceramic session, guys, and you can see only the ceramic pots here and surrounded by plastic pots. Whenever I visit nursery, I feel like buying ceramic pots, guys. Though it is heavy, I feel it is good for lifetime, and even we can repaint them. So in that way, I feel it is ceramic is good. There is no any other reason for it. This is boat shape ceramic pot, guys, and we can even keep it in indoor or outdoor. And next I'm going to show you different types of ceramic pots, guys. This is looking so cute, guys. This is not the basket, but it looks like a basket, and we can even store any artificial flowers in it, and it really gives a great look to our living room. We came to another nursery because we were in a search for hibiscus plants, and there we did not find the better one. And here again we came to the other nursery. Here also I've seen great indoor plants and hibiscus flowers and many fruit plants. I really love it, guys, which is a medium sized nursery only, but all types of plants are available here. For this nursery, I'm gonna take you guys tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.